Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We're in a Honda and we're going to compare Toyota as well. What we're going to do is push start only, is start the car and hold down. On a keyed car, you'll hear the sound of the starter. So let's push down on the start. It will only go into the to start engine and brake plus push. Let's do that to the Toyota. This is the Toyota. We're going to long press the engine start. Back to the Honda. Let's press on the brake to start the car and long press. We could continue to hold this for a long period of time. You don't hear the starter making any noises. We could let go of the brake and the same thing. We're going to do the same to the Toyota. Start the car with a long press. It's been about a good 10 plus seconds, 15 seconds. We're going to hold the button, foot off the brake. Let's go back to the Honda. In the Honda, what we're going to do is go into drive and hit the push start to kill the engine. Shift to park. We're going to long press the push start. We're going to do the same thing to the Toyota and see what happens there. This is the Toyota, putting it into drive and hitting the engine off. Let's hold the engine start. Let's go back to Honda. In the Honda, we're going to throw it into neutral with our foot off the brake and hit the push start. If we put our foot towards the brake and hit the push start, it goes through the motion of starting. Let's do the same thing to the Toyota. This is the Toyota. Put it into neutral and hit the start. Put our foot on the brake and hit the start. The Toyota, with the foot on the brake gently hitting the push button, the car does start. Let's go back to Honda. In the Honda, we need to go to the side of the road safely, stop the car, put it into park, foot on the brake like we are getting in the car to start it. Do the same thing to the Toyota. This is the Toyota. I can get my car started, no problems. You tell me which car you like better with the feature and if Honda now has a floor or needs to catch up to Toyota. Which car do you think is a better car if ever for some reason somebody hits that push button? Post down below. Thank you for viewing the Toyota. Back to Honda. The wiper did not stay caught in the middle. It fully went down.